Okay, we're going to draw together a cave art picture. So first, we're going to make our animal big in the middle. I'm going to give him kind of a sideways oval for a head. Okay, now we're going to make the body. We want to have a big round body. So we're going to start on the side of the head, and we're going to make a big body. Okay. Now our animal needs 4 legs, and we don't want them to just be straight. We want to look like the animal's kind of running. So what we're going to do is make a curve away from the body. And my pencil's still there at the end of the curve. We're going to go back to the body. This makes kind of a pointy curve. We need to do that 4 times. So that's 1. Let's do 2. Three. 4. Okay, we're going to give a little line on the back for his tail. And 3 more lines on the end of his tail for some fur. On top of his head, we're going to make 2 wavy lines. We did that because we're going to make antlers. So on those wavy lines, we're going to put a few little lines. Now we have to make his face. When an animal is not facing us, when it's looking to the side, we're only going to see one of its eyes and the side of its mouth. There's our deer. We're going to put a few lines on his back to show that he's kind of furry. Notice that I'm not hitting my lines whenever I make them. You don't hear my pencil at all. I'm being very soft and drawing each line. I should not hear the pencil or the crayon hit the table because that is not how you draw. Okay, there's our animal. There's some other things cavemen would add to their pictures. We already talked about hands. Let's do some symbols. So over here behind the deer, I want to make a straight line. Now I'm going to make one going the other way. Looks kind of like a T. And then I'm just going to make a circle that goes around that. There's just one simple symbol. How about one that looks more like a plant? I'm going to make a diagonal line. That means it's slanty. It's laying down a little bit. Then I'm going to put bumps on it. Bump, bump, bump. That looks kind of like a leaf or a feather. I'm going to do another one of those. And I think we'll put one more symbol over here. Maybe this one that maybe kind of looks like a bug. I'm going to start with a really skinny oval. So skinny. Then on the end, I'm going to make a C and a backward C. And now I'm just going to make 2 lines for my bug symbol. It's not a real bug, it's just a symbol, a picture of a simplified bug. Okay, so after we do that, we're going to outline our picture. We could find a dark color. Any color that looks very dark will work. How about this? This looks pretty dark. So I'm going to go and trace exactly on top of what I drew. I'm not going to draw new things with this color. I'm tracing. So that means I go on top of the line I already drew. Makes it stand out. Look really good. So I'm going to trace my whole picture with my dark color. See how nice it looks? Very professional, like our own special coloring page. I'm trying to go exactly on top of what I drew. If I miss a little bit, that's okay. Just try your best. Remember, when I'm drawing these lines, I do not hear the color hitting the table because I am drawing it nicely. I'm not hitting, I'm drawing. Okay, I'm almost done tracing my whole picture. So when I'm done, the last thing I'm going to get to do is color. But when we go to color, I want you to think, would a cave person have a bright pink color? No. So look for your box for colors that a cave person might have. Oh, they had some kind of orangish colors. And you can even mix colors. So if you find a color that looks like a caveman might have it, oh, brown, definitely. You can mix it with your other color. So now I've got brown and orange mixed together. And it looks really good. Okay guys, so you're going to finish coloring your whole picture.